Hello everyone, this is Muhammad Javed, lecturer Mathematics, International Maritime College. This video lesson covers the outcomes of frequency distribution. The concept will be demonstrated with the help of example, and hence all aspects of the frequency distribution will be included. After this table, we will add cumulative frequency to the distribution, and there the concept will be provided. Relative frequency distribution will be added to the table as well, and hence the concept will be made for this. Now, what's frequency distribution? As I told you earlier, that we are going to learn this with an example, with the help of an example. So this is example of 50 users who are using home computers online, and this user is interested to know the internet time spent on this home computers. The surveyor collected this random data. So before we go for the table, every data has some basic things, like some basic questions are asked about the data before we start anything. What is minimum value, what is maximum value, what is range, like this. So we should go for this. What is minimum value? Oh my God. What is maximum value? And what do we mean by N or the book? If you see the data, I think 3 is the minimum number, max number is 28, and N is the number of data. If we count this data, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and keep going till this last number, they are 50. So N is the number of values. I'm going to remove them. Okay. So we should write N here, 50. And actually from these two we can calculate range of the data, which means max of data minus minimum of data. So 28 minus 3 equals 25. Then we need another number, what we write with letter H. We call it width. We call it size as well. depend upon the author. So size, okay. We need this for the table where, and our table starts with the minimum number generally. There are different methods, but I'm starting with minimum number, and then we here add one number, and that number is actually h. How to calculate h? Calculation of h is r, means range, divided by square root of the number of values. So r is 25 divided by 50, and this gives answer 3.5355. So I write 4 approx. But keep in mind, if the data is composed of whole number, look, all are whole number, no decimal places are there, so it will be the next whole number. The next whole number after 3 it comes 4. Next whole number is 4. So it means we will be keep adding 4 here. So this will be 7. Okay. Now here I will give you further explanation as well. Suppose the data include decimal number. For example, here we have 8.3, 15.5 suppose, and similarly all the data. Then this number will be rounded to the first decimal place. Look, because there is one decimal place. So the next decimal place of 54 will be 3.6. So then here it will be added 3.6. This situation can come in homework or in assignments, so learn it. Okay, now I'm coming to my weight 4 plus 4 11 plus 4 15 19 plus 4 23 plus 4 27, and then at the end 31. Why at the end? Because we cross the maximum number here, so take a break here. Okay, now we will look at this number. This number is important. And which number is after this? Before this? 6. So one number less than this number, one digit you reduce it, it is 6. Look, less than 7, the whole number is 6, and again we start adding that 4. So this will be 10, this will be 14, and you see automatically it will be adjusting itself. Plus 4 18 plus 4 22, then 26, and then 30. So we don't need this class because our maximum number now falls here. And that is fine. First one for your reference. We call this one the left side number lower limits, and they are called upper limit. All the time we put here these dashes. So now this or any one of them is a class, okay, and each class has two limits, upper limit and lower limit. Well, now we are ready to play with the data. Oh my god, why it's not taking? Okay. 8. Where does 8 fall? 8, this is, they are numbers from 3 to 6. So 8 is not here. They are numbers from 7 to 8. So 8 means 8 is here. So I write one bar for it, 8. The next one is 5. So it's better you take pencil and cross the number. 15. 15 is here. 15 falls here. Look, because here 15, 16, 17, 18. These 4 digits are here. These 4 values. So you write here. Another is again 8. So oops, 8 falls the same. The next one is 11. 11 is here if you see. So I write one bar for it. Then again 15. 15 is here. So another bar for it. And then 14. Where is 14? 14 is there. 22. Where is 22? 22 is here if you see. 14. Where is 14? 14 falls here in this group. So we write. So this way, in front of each class, we calculate, we count actually. So this tally is actually counting. This is counting technique. This is actually counting method. Okay. Well, I have done this table on my paper. So I have the result for each frequency. In the first class, they are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, when we do 4, the 5th will be cross on it, and then 6th, and we write 6. The next class is 9. So 2 I did for you, 3, 4. I told you the 5th will be cross on it. 6, 7, 8, 9. So we write 9 here. The third one is 16. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Now you count them, it will come 16. Okay, 15 to 18 they are 9 also. So when you do it, your tallies will be like this. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. And this way the next is 5. All of them you complete, huh? Last one 4 and this. We call this frequency distribution table. Let's go to now cumulative. Well, I have done everything here, so I will explain how this 16, 15, 31, 14, 45, how they comes. Okay, so first of all, the first number will be written as it is. Then this number will be added with this frequency, and you see it comes 16. Then this 15 will be added here with the last frequency, and answer is here. Then plus this 31 will be then written here and added with 9. Then it will be 40 plus 5, because this 40 is come here. Then plus which number comes? 45, and it comes, and then plus 49 and the last value, and don't forget n is 50. The number value is 50. We call this cumulative frequency. Now I'm coming to relative frequency. Relative frequency comes actually frequency divided by number of values and to 100, and of course they will be, so we will get this answer. Now I'm coming to 18. Frequency is 9. Where is my cursor? Okay. Frequency is 9. So 9 by total number of values multiply by 100%. If we see this with calculator, it will come this. The same way, this time the frequency is 16. So 16 divided by total times 100% to express our answer in percent, and the answer will be this. So they are done all the way this way. And note, when we plus all these relative frequency, the answer should come 100. If the answer is not coming 100, then there is problem in calculation. I hope this video lesson will help you understanding frequency distribution table, cumulative frequency and relative frequency. They are the topic under the organization of data. Thank you. See you.